Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda CRF250F trail bike. This full-size trail bike just arrived, very low hours, beautiful condition, electric start with a keyed ignition, fuel injection. Come on by and make your green sticker trail bike dreams come true with this gorgeous 250F. Only $47.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.